Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Delonghi Magnifica XS espresso machine. Now for this machine we gave it a tune-up, replacing the brew unit that you see right here, and as you can see it's pretty dirty. There's a lot of coffee buildup. Just like inside the machine there was a lot of coffee buildup, especially around this compartment inside the brew unit and pretty much everywhere. So we deep clean everything, deep clean the spouts, deep clean the steamer one. We really did a good cleaning on this machine. We also descaled the machine as well, and yeah, that's all we did. Oh, we also replaced the water pump. This water pump that you see right here was not pushing the water through the system. This is from 2014, as you can see on the date of the water pump right there. We installed a newer one, much better quality, and from this year instead of so we installed a brand new water pump in there with a much better quality water pump than this thing. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test this machine out. I have it on the pre-ground, so let me just switch it back to the regular one. It's gonna have this error that there's not enough pre-ground in there, but it's okay because we didn't really put any pre-ground. There you go. Now it's going to grind, and it's gonna be dispensing the coffee right to here. Nice steady stream coming out of the spouts. We're using a medium setting, but we didn't really grind that much coffee. But you saw, we still got a good your crema coming out of the machine. We'll do that again with a much higher quantity of coffee. There you go. Much better color and much better crema coming out of the machine. Good shot of espresso, looking good. Now we can test the steamer. We can test the hot water first. As you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Working great. And steamer. Building up pressure. And then this seems to be, and as you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Good pressure building up, excellent temperature. Working great. And there you have it, the Delonghi Magnifica XS working once again. So thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.